Are you looking for a way to automatically sync new Evernote reminders to Slack? With zzBots, you can now install this from our plugin store. This plugin contains one bot. This bot will monitor for new notes with reminders in Evernote, and then automatically sync them over to the specified Slack channel as new messages. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the Install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Evernote account. After your account is connected, select the notebook that you want to sync from. Next, set up the connection with your Slack account. After your account is connected, select the channel that you want to sync to. After all required fields are selected, click Next, Install Now, and Done. You will be redirected to the Bots page, where you can manage your bot, as well as configure your bot settings, although further customization is optional. You can test this sync by adding a few new notes with reminders in Evernote. In zzBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster, depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. Below the bot steps for each bot, you will see the bot history. The bot power used each time that your bot is triggered will be shown here. Bot power will not be used when your bot is checking for new data. Bot power will only be used when your bot successfully syncs new Evernote reminders to Slack. As you can see here, the new reminders successfully synced over to the specified Slack channel as new messages. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your different apps together or automate your business, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com or join our community at zzbots.com/community.